Hello, PBMA families. This is Ms. Solorzano with your weekly update for the week of August 22nd, 2025. What an exciting week it has been here at PBMA. Our sharks are settling into their routines, working hard in class, and showing off their shark pride everywhere you look. A huge thank you to all the families who came out to our Chick-fil-A Welcome Back Night fundraiser. We loved seeing everyone, and your support truly makes a difference for our school community.
Hi PBMA families, it's Mrs. Smith, your elementary principal. We are going to be very busy the next 2 weeks with testing. Please make sure you refer to the Jupiter Ed message sent out with all the important dates. Parents, please make sure your child comes to school on their testing dates on time and ready.
Here are a few quick reminders. Students should be in full uniform each day, unless it's a special dress-up day. If your uniform order has not arrived yet, then a solid colored shirt with uniform bottoms are fine to wear in the meantime. Wednesdays are kindness days. Don't forget to wear your pink kindness shirt to help us spread positivity across our campuses.
Hi, my name is Mrs. Stein and I'm the elementary campus school counselor. I'm here today with a special announcement. We are kicking off our elementary attendance program and we've got some fun rewards in store. Here's how it works. Parents and guardians, if your child has perfect attendance for the month, your family will be entered into a raffle for a $50 gift card. Students, perfect attendance, no tardies, no excused absences, gets you invited to an ice cream party. And if you have excused absences but still show up on time the rest of the month, you'll get a cool ice pop treat. Classrooms. When a class earns 10 days of perfect attendance in a month, the whole class wins time with our awesome Lou floor games. A quick reminder, every absence needs a written note to be excused. Missing even just 2 days a month adds up fast. That's about 10% of the school year. We want to see our sharks here every day, ready to learn, grow, and have fun. Let's make this our best year yet.
Our elementary campus sharks had a wonderful week filled with learning, creativity, and fun. In STEM, Miss Hecker's classes became scientists in training as they practiced making observations. Kindergarten, first, and second graders used their sense of hearing to identify mystery objects. Third, fourth, and fifth graders sharpened their skills with scientific tools while carefully studying a piece of obsidian rock. Reading is off to a great start on our elementary campus. Our kindergarten students have been building early literacy skills during engaging ELA lessons. They've been practicing letters and learning together. Meanwhile, our third graders dove into a fun reading activity with Finding Nemo, bringing stories to life and sparking their love for books. It's wonderful to see our sharks growing as readers at every grade level. In art, Miss Rivera is preparing students for creative projects that focus on reusing and recycling. She is asking families to help by sending in everyday items such as toilet paper or paper towel rolls, plastic bottles, or old magazines or newspapers. These recycled materials will become the building blocks for imaginative artwork in the weeks ahead. And out on the playground, our sharks had an amazing time playing with a big parachute. With lots of smiles and laughter, they worked together to lift it high, make colorful waves, and even dash underneath as it floated down. Activities like this not only make recess extra fun, but also give students the chance to practice teamwork and cooperation. What a joyful way to spend the afternoon. Come with me to check out Miss Cassie's media class. We're here with Miss Cassie, our awesome media specialist here at the Marie Terciaro Media Center at the elementary campus. So Miss Cassie is in an interesting position because she gets to work with all our sharks, yes. K through 5th. Miss Cassie, do you want to tell us a little bit about what you've been working on?
Okay, so since this is only the second week of school, this week we talked about rules and expectations, and we also went into our Studies Weekly where I actually get to introduce the community. So I talked to the kids a little bit about the community and how a school works and how they should treat their peers and how to treat the classroom with respect and kindness at all times.
Wow, that's awesome. So it sounds like you're doing some multi-curricular work.
Yes.
So you're integrating social studies along with media, with media class.
Yes.
Library class. Okay, what else can you tell us?
So right now, starting next week, I will be teaching the kids how to write in full sentences. I will also be teaching the older group how to write in cursive.
Wow, sounds good. Now let's talk to some of our students. So here we have a first grade class, and let's see, do you want to tell us what you're working on? What are you learning about here? What does that say? It says community. Who knows what is a community? Whoa, right over here.
A community is a job where you do stuff to make money.
So there are many jobs in the community. Yes, you're right. And who else wants to tell us about community? Right over here. What else can you tell us about community?
Communities like Sesame Street and things what you have to do.
Wow, so Sesame Street is an example of what a community looks like. And right here at PBMA, we're also a community. We're here with Miss Searing, one of our awesome first grade teachers. Miss Searing, I see that you're working on some math activities. Can you tell us more about that?
We've been working on 2D shapes. So, who can tell me what's this one? Good. Who remembers what this little guy is?
Triangle.
What's this one?
Square.
Here's the tough one. You ready? What's this one? What's this one? Very good. Very good.
Wow, this is amazing. They really know their 2D shapes. So what comes after 2D shapes?
3D shapes.
3D shapes. Woo! We look forward to 3D shapes next time. And over on our secondary campus, students are showing off their creativity, teamwork, and problem-solving skills. In Miss Gomes' science classes, students took a hands-on challenge using tangrams, which are puzzles made of 7 unique shapes. Their goal was to arrange all the pieces into a perfect square without overlapping and using every single piece. It was a fantastic exercise in critical thinking, perseverance, and collaboration. And in Miss Williams' 7th grade ELA class, students explored their own learning styles by discovering whether they are visual, tactile, or auditory learners. This engaging activity helped them better understand how they learn best and how to use those strengths in the classroom. And in Mr. Del Valle's digital media class, students launched a brand new series called The Wave Makers. Their very first pilot episode featured student interviews around campus. Check out their behind-the-scenes photos showing sharks working with cameras and production equipment. The class is learning how to tell stories and create exciting content for our school. PBMA is excited to announce that we have partnered with the SMILES program, Mobile Dentists, to bring dentists right here to our campuses. This free program provides a state-licensed dentist who will check your child's mouth and teeth, provide a cleaning, take x-rays if necessary, apply fluoride treatments, and sealants if needed. A dental report card will be sent home with your child. The schedule is as follows. The secondary campus will be on Tuesday, September 2nd, and the elementary campus will be on Thursday, September 4th, and Friday, September 5th. Please sign up as soon as possible using the link in Ms. Cooper's email. And here are a few dates to keep in mind. Countdown to the International Coastal Cleanup. Both our elementary and secondary campuses are invited to join us on Saturday, September 20th at Lantana Beach. The fun starts at 8:30 a.m. and it's hosted by the town of Lantana. Make sure to fill out a waiver at the front desk at the elementary campus and with Mr. Allen at the secondary campus. There will be no school Monday, September 1st in observance of Labor Day. And we're excited to invite you to our elementary campus curriculum night coming up on Tuesday, September 2nd. This is a great chance to meet your child's teacher and hear more about the year ahead. Here's the schedule for the evening. First and fourth grade will meet from 4 to 4:30 p.m. Second and third grade will meet from 4:45 to 5:15. And kindergarten and fifth grade will meet from 5:30 to 6. We hope to see you there as we kick off another amazing school year together. And secondary campus families, your curriculum night will be happening in October. Stay tuned, more details will be coming your way soon. Thank you, PBMA families, for helping our sharks be respectful, responsible, and ready every single day. And be sure to follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you never miss an update. That's all for this week's update. Have a wonderful weekend, and we'll see you on Monday.